Good morning, everybody. So the group 2 will present a presentation about the test for aldehydes and ketones. So there are 3 reagents used for testing them. The first one will be 2,4-DNPH, which will form a deep orange precipitate. The second one will be Tollens reagent, which forms a silver mirror, and the third one would be Phyllic's solution, which forms a brick red precipitate.
The first one is 2,4-DNPH, which is used to identify aldehydes and ketones. What is 2,4-DNPH? 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine is the organic compound of C6H3NO2, 2, and H and H2. 2,4-DNPH can be used to detect the presence of carbonyl group, which is C double bond O. The structure of 2,4-DNPH is like the picture beside on the left. When an aldehyde or ketone is present, an orange or yellow precipitate is formed. A condensation reaction occurs when a carbonyl compound is added to 2,4-DNPH. During this reaction, a water molecule is lost and the final compound will be seen as an orange-yellow precipitate. Testing with 2,4-DNPH. Aldehydes and ketones react with 2,4-DNPH to form yellow, orange, or reddish orange precipitate. The right picture shows a positive test on the picture on the left.
The second region is Tollens region, which is used for aldehydes only. So what is Tollens region? It is an aqueous solution of silver nitrate, and excess ammonia solution. It is used to test for the presence of aldehydes, transforming it into carboxylate ion. The silver atoms will form a mirror inside the surface of the tube. There will be no change observed if a ketone is reacted with Tollens region. In the picture at the left side, you can see the positive and the negative reactions.
And now for the final reagent, which is Phyllic solution, it can only work with aldehydes. Phyllic solution contains copper 2 ions complex with tartrate ions and sodium hydroxide solution. Complexing the copper 2 ions with tartrate ions prevents precipitations of copper 1 hydroxide, that is a blue solution. Only aldehydes will reduce the complex copper 2 ion to copper 1 oxide because the solution is alkaline. The aldehyde itself is oxidized to a salt of the corresponding carboxylic acid. When a few drops of aldehyde is added to the reagent, the mixture is warmed in gently hot water bath for a few minutes. And thus a red precipitate will be observed, only if aldehydes is present. You can see from the picture beside the text, which has the positive and negative results. And so for the final comparison between all the reagents, 2,4-DNPH produces a deep orange precipitate, Tollens reagent produces a silver mirror, Phyllic solution produces a brick red precipitate, and 2,4-DNPH will react with both aldehydes and ketones, while Tollens reagent and Phyllic solution can only react with aldehydes. And finally, 2,4-DNPH is a condensation reaction, while Tollens reagent and Phyllic solution is a redox reaction.
So that is all for the presentation from group 2. Thank you for watching.